we started the school year, I was so stressed about everyone ending up in the same place after we graduate. But I don't think it matters. You know, we always seem to find each other anyway.
Scott, his greatest friend in the world, into the woods to see a dead body.
If you're going through hell, keep going.
Tables and chairs warmed by all of the dark.
I don't want to die here. Not like this. He's not Susan. He's my son, and he's too strong to die like this.
This is a place where I feel at home.
Don't run. You fight.
I'm in the arms of my first love. The first person I've ever loved. The person I'll always love.
Hey, we'll get through this.
You are my new best friend.
You okay?
Built a home for you.
How are you doing this?
Me.
That's what we do.
You have to breathe. I'm fine. Sometimes I can't help you over in here, and I can't hurt you.
Held on as tightly as you held on me.
I'm here to save my best friend.
I came to save mine.
Held on as tightly as you held on me.
This guy, just listen to me, okay? You're my best friend. Okay, and I need you. So if we're gonna do this, then I think you're just gonna have to take me with you.
Remember what I said out there? I mean, about all the things I said I haven't done, and all the things I still want to do. This is one of them.
A home for you. For me.
Still got me. I had you before. Yeah, and you still got me.
Just for 1 second, please try and remember.
Remember what?
Remember what it feels like.
For me.
It's okay. It's perfect.
Doesn't hurt you as much as it hurts me. It's okay.
No, it's not. Everything's changed. I look for my friends. What are you smiling about?
You're gonna be good at this.
So what do you do instead?
I look for my friends. She saved him. Allison saved his life.
You can save people's lives, but you cannot save them from life. Life is full of struggles.
But it doesn't have to be.